What's up, everybody? Josh here from Log and Iron. I'm with Tia. We're going to give you a walkthrough of our house that we finally moved into after a 4-year renovation. And we've been living upstairs now for about 3 weeks, so I've been going to do this video, but I wanted to have everything cleaned up and looking like we don't live here. But the fact is,
he wants the patio to be all sparkly and clean.
That's right. But I don't know how long I'd have to wait to get everything clean and make it look like 4 kids don't live in this house. But here we go. Here's our back patio. And I'll give you a tour of the inside. We're pretty excited to be moved in up here where we actually have windows and we don't live in a basement.
Have nice bedrooms and they're really pretty.
Yep, you heard it. Pretty bedrooms.
And I got new pajamas.
Yep, you got it.
And
Black walnut table.
there's an ice machine.
Random species hardwood floor.
And everything from downstairs is moved.
We're all moved in.
But not the dresser. The wooden dresser is still downstairs.
Is it really? Oh boy.
But I don't even know if it's gonna come upstairs or not.
Why wouldn't we bring it upstairs?
Because we already have one over there.
So this room here is eventually going to have a piano in it. We'll just have to
It's
stick with
already
it.
a playroom.
And it's a playroom.
And we played in it today.
There might be a real piano in there soon. I'll give you a look at this door that I spent quite a bit of time on.
It's a glass door too.
And then here's, I'm going to head into the master bedroom.
It's Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. But I'm Tia Booziner, and look at Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. There's a bathroom in the bedroom. And there's also a little mirror in here.
Yep.
And the shower and the bathtub.
Let's see. Yep, there we go. Turn the lights on in the shower, will you? There we go.
Here's the shower, there's lights, and there's a shower.
All right, let's go show them your bedroom, okay?
Come on, folks, let's go to our room. We'll show you how beautiful it is.
Wait, show them the bathroom first. Let's turn this, hang on, let's
Come
turn
on, folks. Yay.
turn some lights on. Turn some lights on. Okay, here we go.
Welcome to our bathroom. There's Band-Aids and some cutlers for water and some Band-Aids like Princess, Minions, and Frozen, and My Little Pony. And
Perfect.
there's our toothbrushes.
Perfect, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's show them your bedroom.
Come on, folks.
Kick some lights on.
Welcome to my bed and Kenley's bedroom where we sleep. And my basket in here. There's my picture from Greta. And I have all of my stuffed animals on my bed.
Show them Tenley's side.
Welcome to Kenley's side. She had a pillow, this, and a little fish.
Okay, let's do a quick, quiet look of Tatum's room, even though he's sleeping, so it can be quiet, right? All right, that's all we're gonna do.
To Tatum's room.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Tatum in his bed.
Let's go. Real quick look at Tucker's room, and then we'll be all done. Okay,
Tatum, look at me.
let's go.
He's not going fast asleep yet.
He's not.
Nope. He just looked at me.
All right, tell everybody bye. Thanks for looking at our house.
Bye. Thanks for looking at our house.